Hello students, in previous video we learned three conditions, ratio of areas of two triangles. Now based on three conditions we are going to solve practice set 1.1. First question, in first question what he given, base of a triangle is 9 and height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find the ratio of areas of these triangles. So first how many triangles? We are finding the ratio of areas of two triangles. So I denoted by A1, B1 and H1. See, let A1, B1, H1 be the area, base and height of the first triangle. Let A2, B2, H2 be the area, base and height of the second triangle. To find what? A1 upon A2. Otherwise A1 is to A2. And he given the values base and height. B1 equal to 9, H1 equal to 5, B2 equal to 10, H2 equal to 6. Find the A1 upon A2. Okay students? Whenever you are solving any question, first you write down the given to find and solution. Okay, now first, area of the triangle we know, half into base into height. Half get cancelled, directly you can write base into height. Okay, and one more thing, by seeing this question here, it is related to your first condition. First condition statement what? Ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. Why? Here bases and heights are different in both the triangles. Now here A1 is denoted by first triangle. A1 upon A2 equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2 equal. Values you will know, substitute the values. 9 into 5 upon 10 into 6. 5 ones are 5 twos are. 3 threes are 9, 3 twos are 6. Here 3 upon 4. Here write on the condition. Here ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights, because in both the triangles bases and heights are different. Therefore A1 is to A2 equal to 3 is to 4. This is your first one solution. Students, now coming to the question number 2 on page number 6. He given the figure. First triangle what? ABC. Second triangle what? ABD. Find the ratio of these two triangles. Areas of two triangles. First we will write the given. In question what he given? Given BC is perpendicular to AB. Still what he given? AD, otherwise DA. DA is perpendicular to AB. You can write AD also. And still he given the values. BC equal to what? 4. AD equal to what? 8. Okay? BC equal to 4. AD equal to 8. And to find what? To find area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB equal to question mark. Okay? Here first you identify in both the triangles base is common. Triangles with equal base or with same base. Okay? Directly we can write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB equal to, I am not writing half because half get cancelled. Directly I am writing base into height. AB into, this is our base. In both the triangles base is common. Okay. AB into height is what? BC upon. Here in second triangle down. AB into AD. Okay. Here I will write triangles with equal base. Okay. In both the triangles were common base. AB get cancelled. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB equal to, substitute the BC and AD value. BC is 4, AD is 8, 1 upon 2. Okay, our last statement is what? Therefore, compulsory therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB equal to 1 upon 2. This is your answer. Students, now coming to the third question. First I'll explain orally by seeing the figure. Our triangle word PQR is a required triangle. In that we given the two heights. One height is outside the triangle. It is an obtuse angle triangle. See here, TS is perpendicular to the RQ and QT is perpendicular to the TR. Okay? And to find, first directly I am writing to find. To find is what? QT. QT equal to question mark. Now I will write given. Given what? Given triangle PQR. PQR. Okay? And TS is perpendicular to RQ. Still what he given? QT is perpendicular to PR. Okay? Still he given the values. What are the values? RQ is 6, PS is 6 and PR. PR is what? 12. 5 QT. RQ equal to 6. PS is equal to 6. PR equal to 12. Find QT. Starting I written QT. Fine. How? See students. First we know the area of the triangle formula, half into base into height. First I will find the total area of a triangle PQR. Okay? Area of triangle PQR equal to half into. If I total find, I take the height what? TS and base what? RQ. Here base what? RQ into TS. If you are having any doubt, write on side. RQ equal to base. PS equal to height. Okay? Area of triangle PQR equal to half into 6 into 6. RQ is 6, PS is 6. Here value is given. 2 1s are 3s are. 6 3s are how much? 18 square units. Still, what to find? QT. QT is the question mark. Now, for the same area of the triangle, one more height is there and base is there. Okay? Area of triangle. This one 18 square units there, no? Write down number 1. Area of triangle PQR half into, my base is what? PR. PR into QT. Here PR is base. QT is height. Okay? Now substitute the values. Area of triangle PQR equal to half into, and one more thing, from the number 1, total area of triangle PQR, how many square units? 18. So we will substitute that one. 18 equal to half into PR, how many units? 12 into QT. 2 1s are 6. 6 ones are 6 threes are. Therefore, QT equal to 3 units. Okay. Last step you see. Therefore. See here students, again I will write area of triangle PQR equal to half into, here my base is PR and height is QT. Okay. Area of triangle PQR equal to, here area of the triangle from number 1 what? 18. Half into PR, how many units? 12 into QT. Here number 1, since from number 1 what we know, area of triangle PQR equal to 18. 2 ones are 6 are. 6 ones are 3 are. Therefore, QT equal to 3 units. This is your answer. Students, now coming to the fourth question. Fourth question was, he given two triangles. Here AP is perpendicular. Given what I am writing, given AP is perpendicular to BC. Still what he given? AD is parallel to BC. Find area of a triangle ABC is to area of triangle BCD. Now I will explain orally. By seeing the figure, we will describe about the figure. In this figure, here AD and BC are the two parallel lines. Between the two parallel lines, he given two triangles. First triangle is what? ABC. Second triangle is what? BCD. Between the two lines, there are two triangles with common base. How? See here. AP is perpendicular in triangle ABC. Here AP is what? Height. And base is what? BC. Okay? And in second triangle BCD. BC will be the base with the common base. See here, whenever two triangles lies between two parallel lines with their common base and also height will be equal. Okay, see here, you can draw the height like this. Here you can write with equal heights. Then when base and heights are equal, automatically we can write their areas are equal. Okay, students, see here. Triangle ABC and triangle BCD lies between two parallel lines with common base and also height will same. Okay, otherwise you can write equal. Okay, now what he has to find? Area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BC. So here directly I am write area of triangle ABC equal to area of triangle BCD. How? Because base get cancel, height get cancel. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD equal to 1. Okay? Keep it in your mind, this is important point. Okay? Area of the triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD equal to 1. How? Because two triangles lies between, therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD equal to 1. This one how we got? Their base and height are equal. Why? two triangles lies between two parallel lines with common base. When base is common, their heights also same or equal. Reason, two parallel lines. If you want, in textbook he given the example also on page number 4, example 3. Okay, and compulsory you have to solve the examples also. If you see the examples, you can solve the exercise. And what about the fifth question? In fifth question, he given the figure, he asked the questions. Find the ratio of areas of triangle PQB, area of triangle PBC. In that you need to identify which is the height and which is the base, and you need to write the conditions also. Once again I am recalling the 3 conditions. Please, in the first exercise, based on the 3 conditions, we can easily solve the first exercise. First condition was ratio of areas of 2 triangles is equal to ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. That is your first condition. In first condition, what? Heights and bases are different. Then second condition, what? Ratio of areas of 2 triangles with equal heights is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases. And third condition was ratio of areas of 2 triangles with equal bases is equal to ratio of their corresponding heights. Okay. So whenever you are solving the first exercise, you need to mention the reason. Whether they are equal bases, triangles with equal bases, triangle with equal heights. Otherwise, ratio of their product of their bases and corresponding heights. Okay, clear? By this your first exercise completed, and simultaneously we are going to solve the problem set also. In problem set, based on the practice set 1.1, based on page number 27, problem set is there, I think so. Based on practice set 1.1, you need to solve the questions. There are 4 questions. Question number 2, 3, 4, 5. These questions are homework. And on page number 6, in practice set, only one question you are going to solve. Page number 6, question number 5. Okay. In first exercise, you are going to identify the base and height, only 3 conditions. By this, your first exercise completed.